Details, welcome back to Cat Facts, and today we're going to talk about solid gray cat. Also sometimes referred to as blue, gray cats are just a diluted black. Gray cats can be long hair, short hair, they can have tabby stripes, or even white on their little paws. But there's only a few breeds that have solid gray cats. That includes Russian blue, Nebelungs, British blue or short hair, Corret, and Chartreuse. A favorite solid gray cat fact, though, is that studies have shown that solid gray cats are actually super sweet-natured and devoted to their humans. Did you know these solid gray cat facts? Like and follow for more.